साच कहा सुन ले हो सब, जिन प्रेम कियो तिन ही प्रभ पायो। जिन प्रेम कियो तिन ही प्रभ पायो। Once we start loving Him, then one day we will feel that suddenly some big shift has happened in my consciousness. Big shift. And that shift has made me kind of intoxicated, carefree. I feel less worried, less anxious. Something has happened. And we start feeling, we start having vague, remember please, we start having vague realization that I am part of the whole existence. Vague realization, not clear yet. Vague realization. We start feeling that there is no I. There is no I, but there is this. There is this. There is this. No I. And this is so beautiful. You start loving this. Even this is not. This cannot make sense. Sense is for the mind, for our true self. It just hears and understands without even saying. It doesn't make sense, Jugat. Doesn't make sense, does it? We won't, unless this happens to us, it's difficult to imagine. We would feel that this power so obvious, so powerful, which is occupying all my insides, this thing, the word I does not come to us. But whatever is left, it loves it. It loves that. And that is our true self. When we see ourselves full of God, that is our true self. And that true self loves itself. It loves it. We do not love that self for any reason. That so many virtuous thoughts are coming to me. No. That love for this true self is unconditional. Because you recognize yourself, you are love. There has to be no reason for it. Samidheji? But this can only be experienced. Love, you would feel love, 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 love. You'd feel compassion, compassion, compassion. You'd feel gratefulness, gratefulness, gratefulness. And what a beautiful our true self is. And anybody who realizes that he wants to cry out to the whole world that recognize yourself, you are so beautiful. Don't live in this misery. Don't live in these moments of misery. Okhi kadi, okhi kadi. Okhi kadi na dekhan de apna bird samale. He never lets us. One who goes to him wholeheartedly, he never lets that person fall back into the misery of I-ness. Haath de rakhe apne ko, saas saas pritpale. He protects his devotee by placing both of hands of protection on him. Protecting from what? Protecting him from falling back into the misery of I, into the blind well. Prabh se lag rayo mera jeet, Prabh se lag rayo mera jeet. The Divine has revealed himself within me, and I remain so happily attached to him within, means I keep happily feeling him. Ade ant prabh sada sahai, tan hamara meet. Ade ant prabh sada sahai, tan hamara meet. Right from the moment one goes to him, till the moment one is dissolved in him, he protects that one from falling back into the I-ness. Such glorious, beautiful is my true friend. Ade ant prabh sada sahai, tan hamara meet. Man bilas pe sahib ke, अचरज देख बड़ाई. देखो अचरज पया, how beautiful. मन बिलास पै साहिब के अचरज देख बड़ाई. I remain delighted, intoxicated because of feeling Him, feeling the truth within. This is so marvelously glorious greatness of His. Har simr simr anand kar nanak Prabhu Puran Paj Rakhai. He says when you will have thoughts, those thoughts would be about I and the world of the I. But when you will remember me, when you have thoughts, and thoughts will be of the I and the world of the I, and will that thought also accompany worries. Worries. But when you remember me, something also will come with that. Simran, with that remembrance, and that would be Sahaj and love. It's so simple. All we have to do is remain conscious about the truth of existence, that He is with me, I am with Him, and I can feel Him. I can feel Him. Simra, Simra. Har simr simr anand kar nanak Prabhu Puran Paj Rakhai. Har simr simr anand kar nanak. What is so precious? What precious things are condensed in the word Simr, to remember Him. So much is condensed in this world. Har simr simr anand kar nanak. Har simr simr anand kar nanak. Har simr simr anand kar nanak. Let's please feel our whole insides throbbing with life while singing. Har simr simr anand kar nanak. Har simr simr anand kar nanak.